Hello my friends! As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world.
Yes, sir.
And English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 15. In this unit I am going to teach you how to use present perfect tense in our day-to-day life. The format of present perfect tense is subject plus have or has plus past participle. For example, I have done. So you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 15. I have done. Present perfect part 1. Section A. His shoes are dirty. He is cleaning his shoes. He has cleaned his shoes. It means his shoes are clean now. They are at home. They are going out. They have gone out. It means they are not at home now. Section B. Has cleaned, have gone, etc. is the present perfect. It means have plus past participle. Now we are going to study a complete chart. I have cleaned. I haven't cleaned. I have finished. I haven't finished. I have started. I haven't started. I have lost. I haven't lost. I have done. I haven't done. I have been. I haven't been. I have gone. I haven't gone. We've cleaned. We haven't cleaned. We've finished. We haven't finished. We've started. We haven't started. We've lost. We haven't lost. We've done. We haven't done. We've been. We haven't been. We've gone. We haven't gone. You cleaned. You haven't cleaned. You finished. You haven't finished. You started. You haven't started. You lost. You haven't lost. You done. You haven't done. You been. You haven't been. You gone. You haven't gone. They've cleaned. They haven't cleaned. They've finished. They haven't finished. They've started. They haven't started. They've lost. They haven't lost. They've done. They haven't done. They've been. They haven't been. They've gone. They haven't gone. He is cleaned. He hasn't cleaned. He is finished. He hasn't finished. He is started. He hasn't started. He is lost. He hasn't lost. He is done. He hasn't done. He is been. He hasn't been. He is gone. He hasn't gone. She is cleaned. She hasn't cleaned. She is finished. She hasn't finished. She is started. She hasn't started. She is lost. She hasn't lost. She is done. She hasn't done. She is been. She hasn't been. She is gone. She hasn't gone. It's cleaned. It hasn't cleaned. It's finished. It hasn't finished. It's started. It hasn't started. It's lost. It hasn't lost. It's done. It hasn't done. It's been. It hasn't been. It's gone. It hasn't gone. Now we are going to revise interrogative sentences. Have I cleaned? Have I finished? Have I started? Have I lost? Have I done? Have I been? Have I gone? Have we cleaned? Have you finished? Have you started? Have you lost? Have you done? Have you been? Have you gone? Have you cleaned? Have you finished? Have you started? Have you lost? Have you done? Have you been? Have you gone? Have they cleaned? Have they finished? Have they started? Have they lost? Have they done? Have they been? Have they gone? Has he cleaned? Has he finished? Has he started? Has he lost? Has he done? Has he been? Has he gone? Has she cleaned? Has she finished? Has she started? Has she lost? Has she done? Has she been? Has she gone? Has it cleaned? Has it finished? Has it started? Has he lost? Has it done? Has it been? Has it gone? Here we may have noticed that cleaned, finished, started, lost, done, been, gone are called past participle. And in those past participle, cleaned, finished, and started are called regular verbs, and lost, done, been, and gone are called irregular verbs. Regular verbs. The past participle is ed, the same as the past simple. Clean, I have cleaned. Finish, we have finished. Start, she has started. Irregular verbs. The past participle is not ed. Sometimes the past simple and past participle are the same. Buy, I bought, or I have bought. Have, he had, or he has had. Sometimes the past simple and past participle are different. Break, I broke, or I have broken. See, you saw, or you have seen. Fall, it fell, or it has fallen. Go, they went, or they have gone. Now, section C. We use the present perfect for an action in the past with the result now. For examples, I lost my passport. It means I can't find my passport now. Where is Rebecca? She's gone to bed. It means she's in bed now. We have bought a new car. It means we have a new car now. It's Rachel's birthday tomorrow and I haven't bought her a present. It means I don't have a present for her now. Bob is away on holiday. Oh, where has he gone? It means where is he now? Can I take this newspaper? Have you finished with it? It means do you need it now? Now it's time for exercises. 15.1. Look at the pictures. What has happened? Choose from the box. Go to bed. Clean his shoes. Stop raining. Close the door. Fall down. Have a shower. Number 1. He has cleaned his shoes now. Number 2. She has closed the door now. Number 3. They have gone to bed now. Number 4. It has stopped raining now. Number 5. He has had a shower now. Number 6. The picture has fallen down now. 15.2. Complete the sentences with a verb from the box. Break, buy, decide, finish, forget, go, go, invite, lose, see, not see, take, tell, not tell. Number 1. I lost my keys. I don't know where they are. Number 2. I bought some new shoes. Do you want to see them? Number 3. Where is Helen? She is not here. She has gone out. Number 4. I am looking for Paula. Have you seen her? Number 5. Look, somebody has broken that window. Number 6. Does Lisa know that you are going away? Yes, I have told her. Number 7. I can't find my umbrella. Somebody has taken it. Number 8. Where are my glasses? I don't know. I haven't seen them. Number 9. I am looking for Sarah. Where has she gone? Number 10. I know that woman, but I have forgotten her name. Number 11. Sue is having a party tonight. She has invited a lot of people. Number 12. What are you going to do? Have you decided? Number 13. A. Does Ben know about the meeting tomorrow? B. I don't think so. I haven't told him. Number 14. I have finished with this magazine. Do you want it? This is the end of unit number 15. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 16. Till then, bye bye.